Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be customizing these Air Force Ones. I got these from a charity store for only £6. I've already taken the laces out, given them a quick scrub. They've been through the washing machine, so they're nice and clean now. As you can see, there is quite a few damages, like this part here is coming out. Got a lot of creasing. Overall, they're not too bad, but they are a little bit worn. But today what we're going to do for the first part is get rid of this yellowing. I don't have any Salon Care 40 on me, so I'm going to actually spray paint them. They're only £6. If they don't work out, doesn't really matter, but let's see what we can do.
Oxygen fighting to stay in my face. Live on my own cause I feel out of place. If you can hear me then rescue me please, cause I'm drowning in pain.
So first step is to tape off all of the top so we can start spray painting the bottom. Got the tops fully taped up and just wrapped a bag around it just for extra safety. So now I'm going to take these outside and spray these. I'm going to be using some multi-purpose spray paint. Hopefully it comes out well, and then we're going to cover it with some clear coat as well after it. So they've just been painted, they're all dry now. Now time to take off the paint to see how they came out. So the shoes are looking a lot better. There's a little bit of cleaning to do, as you can see, like there's little parts from the tape or maybe from the clear coat that I put on that maybe leaked through. So I'm just going to clean that up. So I'm just going to add some touch-up paint where the tape has taken the paint off. Then we're going to start working on the uppers. First thing is removing the creases, and then adding some custom, maybe some new laces, and maybe taking the tick off and doing something creative with that. I'll be right back. We're going to take out the creases with the iron and towel method. So what we're going to do, we're going to stuff a towel into the shoe, and then we're going to get a wet towel, put it on top, and just iron out all the creases. Right, so that's most of the creasing out. It's already looking a lot better. Where we've got a few like scuffs over here, you know, this crease is too deep to get out. Same with over here, it's a little one, but they're hardly noticeable when you look from here. It's the only part you can see is probably this bit here where it's curving out slightly. But what we're going to do now is we're going to lace it up, see how it looks, and then see if we want to do any more, see if we want to do anything else to it. So yeah. On some of the shoes, in some part of the shoes, as you can see, there's like little frays of material, like some of the stitching's coming out. So just gonna fix that up with a lighter as well, and just gonna try and put these little bits in as well. Just gonna glue them to make them look less beat up, and just clean up these little areas. Yo guys, welcome back. and just finished up the shoes. This is how they're looking. As you can see, they turned out really well.
Super clean.
Yeah, it's got that Chicago look to it. You know, the ones on the Jordan ones. You see pictures in here. And overall, it's been a great project. So just to go over what we did, we painted the soles white. I didn't have any Salon Care 40 to make it go from that horrible yellow color back to white. So I had to give that a quick spray. And we took out all the creases using the wet towel and iron method. And then I did a good paint job, red on these panels here, and finished it off with the black swoosh over here. What do you think?
Yeah, let me have a look, mate. So like from close on, it looks super clean, as of like you would buy from a shop. But just like being restored, looking at the restored look, looks really nice for the first project you ever did.
Yeah, so like
Looks
you
so
know,
clean.
these were £6 from a thrift store.
Yeah,
so
look
like
at that.
you know what I mean. So they are gonna have a few damages, but it looks as new as it can be.
Yeah, it didn't have like damages you couldn't have restored.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like it came out really good.
Yeah, like
A
you
quick
can
project,
you can even see like the creasing. There's not much creasing at all now, and yeah, the laces look clean. Look, smell it. Don't smell.
Yeah, it smells like a laundry detergent.
There you go. So it smells good. It looks clean. Look at the soles. Nice clean soles. So yeah, overall, it's been a great project.
Thank you guys for watching our videos. Make sure you hit the likes button and definitely subscribe to our channel.
Just for a sneak peek for the next video, we're going to be turning these shoes over here, and we're going to make them look like these off-white dunks, this style over here. So we're going to be using 2 pairs of laces per shoe. So we're going to have the normal laces, and then we're going to have the bigger laces that look a little bit messy, but they're going to look really cool on this shoe. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.